Hey there, beach lovers and luxury seekers. Today we're diving into the crystal clear waters of Cancun to explore the adults-only paradise that is Hotel Riu Latino. Opened in October 2022, this four-star gem is making waves in the Mexican Caribbean, and we're here to give you the full scoop. So grab your virtual margarita and let's embark on this sun-soaked journey. Let's start with the rooms, shall we? Hotel Riu Latino boasts over 550 modern accommodations that'll make you feel like royalty. The standard double rooms are anything but standard, offering spacious layouts that'll have you doing cartwheels, if that's your thing. Each room comes equipped with all the bells and whistles you'd expect from a high-end resort. Air conditioning to keep you cool as a cucumber, free Wi-Fi for those essential vacation selfies, and a laptop-compatible safe for your valuables. Because let's face it, we all bring our laptops on vacation, right? But wait, there's more. You'll find a stocked minibar, dangerous but delightful, plush bathrobes for lounging in style, and a rainfall shower that'll make you feel like you're bathing in a tropical rainstorm. Minus the mud and bugs, of course. The eco-friendly toiletries are a nice touch for the environmentally conscious traveler, and the hairdryer means you can leave that bulky item at home. Oh, and did we mention the ceiling fan? It's perfect for those dramatic "I'm too hot" moments. Each room also features a balcony or patio, offering views that'll make your Instagram followers green with envy. Whether you're gazing at lush gardens or the sparkling pool and beach, you're in for a treat. And for those who like to live on the edge of the pool, that is, some rooms even offer direct pool access or swim-up features. Talk about making a splash. Now let's talk about the most important part of any vacation, the food. Hotel Riu Latino doesn't mess around when it comes to satisfying your taste buds. The main buffet restaurant is like a culinary United Nations, offering an American-style breakfast spread that'll put your local diner to shame, plus lunch and dinner options that span the globe. Picture this: you're wandering from station to station, plate in hand, eyes wide as you try to decide between the made-to-order omelet, the freshly carved roast, or the authentic Mexican tacos. And let's not forget the show cooking stations, because who doesn't love a little culinary theater with their meal? But wait, there's more. The a la carte restaurants are where things get really interesting. Fancy some pasta? The Italian restaurant has you covered. Craving sushi? The Asian specialty restaurant will transport your taste buds to the Far East. And for those nights when only a juicy steak will do, the steakhouse is ready to satisfy your carnivorous cravings. But what about drinks, you ask? Well, hold on to your sombreros, because Hotel Riu Latino has bars galore. We're talking multiple watering holes, including 2 swim-up bars where you can sip a piña colada without ever leaving the pool. Now that's what I call multitasking. And for those romantic souls out there, the hotel even offers special outdoor dining experiences. Imagine surprising your partner with a candlelit dinner under the stars, the sound of waves in the background. It's so romantic, it might even make the seagulls swoon. Speaking of water, let's dive into the pool and beach situation at Hotel Riu Latino. This place is practically a water park for adults. With 5 outdoor swimming pools, you'll feel like you've died and gone to aquatic heaven. And these aren't just any pools. We're talking about pools with swim-up bars. Because swimming to your drink is way more fun than walking, and water hammocks and loungers for when you want to perfect your "I'm on vacation" pose. But the real showstopper? The Splash Water World water park right on site. Yes, you read that right, a water park in an adults-only resort. It's like they've taken all the fun of being a kid and combined it with the freedom of being an adult. No need to worry about cannonballs from little ones here. And let's not forget about the beach. Hotel Riu Latino is perched right on the pristine white sands of Costa Mujeres Beach. Picture powdery sand between your toes, turquoise waters as far as the eye can see, and enough space to ensure you're not playing elbow volleyball with your beach neighbors. And for those who like to do more than just lounge, no judgment if that's your style, the hotel offers water sports galore. Fancy a bit of kayaking? They've got you covered. Want to channel your inner Jack Sparrow on a catamaran? Ahoy, matey! And for the underwater explorers, snorkeling equipment is readily available. Just remember, fish are friends, not food. Now let's talk about activities, because lounging by the pool all day can get, well, actually that sounds pretty perfect. But for those restless souls out there, Hotel Riu Latino has got you covered. The fitness center is fully equipped for those who want to maintain their beach bod or work on getting one. While we don't have specifics on the equipment, it's safe to assume you'll find all the usual suspects: treadmills, weights, and probably a few machines that look like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie. But the real gem is the Renova Spa. This isn't just any spa, it's a temple of relaxation. We're talking relaxation pools that are so chill, even the water is zen. There's a steam bath for when you want to sweat out all those margaritas, and a range of treatments that'll make you feel like a new person. Massages that'll turn you into human putty? Check. Facials that'll make you glow brighter than the Caribbean sun? Double check. Manicures and pedicures to get those digits ready for their Instagram close-up? You bet. And while we don't have the exact booking process, it's probably safe to assume you can make appointments at the front desk or spa reception. Just don't be surprised if you end up spending more time at the spa than on the beach. But the fun doesn't stop when the sun goes down. Hotel Riu Latino knows how to keep the party going with its weekly entertainment program. We're talking live shows that'll have you tapping your feet and wondering if you should have pursued that career in showbiz after all. The nightclub performances are perfect for those who want to dance the night away. Just remember, what happens in Cancun stays in Cancun. Unless it ends up on social media, of course. And let's not forget about the themed parties and events at the bars and clubs within the resort. It's like a different vacation every night. And the best part? No kids allowed. That means no awkward moments when you're trying to enjoy your cocktail and a toddler decides to use the dance floor as their personal playground. Now, let's venture beyond the resort, because believe it or not, there's a whole world out there. Hotel Riu Latino is perfectly positioned to explore some of Cancun's hottest attractions. Just a stone's throw away, okay, maybe a well-aimed golf ball's throw, is the Playa Mujeres Golf Club. It's so close you could probably hear the satisfying thwack of golf balls being hit from your balcony. For those who prefer their activities a little more aquatic, Isla Mujeres is just a short ferry ride away. This island paradise is a snorkeler's dream, with crystal clear waters teeming with colorful fish. It's like swimming in a real-life aquarium, minus the glass and the bored-looking teenager tapping on it. And for the nature lovers, there are natural reserves like Isla Blanca and Holbox within day trip distance. Just imagine the Instagram stories you'll have. Getting around is a breeze too, with taxis and shuttle services readily available. Just don't expect to hop on a public bus. This exclusive Costa Mujeres zone is all about private transportation, darling. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.